Okay. So I want to try and create an animation for Lamport clocks, vector clocks, and what, chronological time? And Observable has this like generator. And I'm wondering what I can do with that. So like, I want to call a function where this is going to give me an event. And the event is going to be a promise. And then I want to have access to a set of promises, and I want to just wait at this point. And I don't know if that's like what exists. So all, any, what is any? Okay, so this might be it. What's race? Promise settles with the eventual state of the first promise that settles. Okay, so you have two promises here. Right, so that's what I want. And I want to remove that from... Okay, so let's get rid of this while true. I don't need that. And then we need a function. What's promises.delay? I need the promises library. Yeah, so that's what I want. So what is this promises.play? Okay, here it is. Has a few built-in, okay, so there's a few built-in methods. So delay, tick, when. Okay, so that's what I want. This is what? Tick. Okay, so that's like set timeout, and then this is set interval. Right. Okay. And then this is... Am I missing one? So there's tick. What's when? Does it have an example of when? I don't see it. No, it doesn't. Okay, well, I think I'm good with delay. So we can do promises dot delay, and then the duration can be math.random. That's going to be 0 to 1. So this is any time up to a second. That's probably fine. Oh, I see. And then I can just do await. And then I can do return. Is there a random selection? This would pick nodes. One is the, okay, so I need to return producer. I need to pick one of the nodes. Consumer, I need to pick one of the nodes. This is loud. This is also like, try this. Okay. Right, okay, that's it. Should always be less than 1, so that means it'll never get... Wait, this doesn't make any sense. Math.random will never be 1, nor should it. Okay, so then it will never multiply to the full length. So then floor will never... So that should work. Should always be 1 less than the length, or else you'll get an undefined. So combining those two means math.random will never go to 1, so items.length will never be the value that gets floored. So then that should be fine. Okay, so then we should have another function. Random. Okay. And that's just giving me the index. Come on. And since this is kind of a state machine, it can be a message that goes to itself. I don't think I have a problem with that. So that's gonna wait some random amount of time, and then it's gonna return. So then while true, is fine. Okay. Now, do I need that? No. So this just awaits. So I actually don't want. So this guy is going to be the promise. And then I'm going to have. So then stop push. Okay. So that should give me. So then yield events. Promise dot. And this is gonna give me a bunch of different promises. I don't have a sequence number. Oh. Okay, Arian or Orion 788. Hey homie, I checked your videos. Seems like you are new in Kick and streaming a lot and still not affiliated and partnered yet. I got a proposal for you. I will share your stream to a Kick community for you to hit 1,000 followers and earn nothing less than $1,000 per streaming and enable your sub button. Add me to Discord if you're interested. Talani98. I'm so interested. Let me get back to you. Let me get back to you. Okay, so here. The only problem is I don't know. I should add a timestamp. Sade 7. Please, I want stream, but you don't have followers. Can you help, please? Follow you and your friend. Please, I need help. Sounds... I don't understand. Okay, so if I press play here... I wonder what happens. Nothing is happening? Oh no, this is happening. Okay. Did that just go once though? Or is this like producing the same object over and over again? No, it looks like it went once. And it's always going to return that because I'm not removing it. So I need to remove it from the events. So how do I do that? I guess I can make a UUID. And is there a link? UUID? No. want to stream, but you're making typos rather consistently. Okay, so UUID. Crypto. Okay, so save that, and okay, so this is not updating. And maybe I make it like 10 seconds. Oh, that's interesting. Oh no, that was just, okay, cool. So now what I want to do is I want to say, and then yield event, and then I want to remove it from events. JS. So I don't know if I can do that. I guess I can. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so, oh, and I need the elements. Right. And splice doesn't return anything, does it? Right, it doesn't. Okay, so okay. Okay, that should be it. So then here, I've got that event, and then I want to and that in theory should be like BE7. No way. So I'm pushing an event. Does that take all of them? And like that should just wait for the first one, right? with the eventual state of the first promise. What about this? Okay, maybe I can try that. And let's make it a second, just to see if we get changes here. Okay, so this is gonna add a promise. Oh, wait, do I need to await this guy? I do, but then I need to think about this. I need to do this. What do I need to do? I don't need to await that, so that needs to be the promise. But this is a new promise. So I need the ID. Okay, so I need the ID. So I need to do a filter on events. So the elements that have been added are going to be in sequential order. How can I use that? I guess I could use that to generate the ID. So events dot what? And then event promises. I think that's probably better. Okay. Okay, and then event promise is any yield the promise, and then what? I should get rid of that actually. It's weird, and that's promsy. Generate event. Events. And events. Okay. Then what? Then this is gonna be the yielded event, which means it's gonna be implicitly awaited. Do I need to do that? Can I not just await this guy now? I can just await this guy. So I'll await it and yield it. Okay, so it's got these IDs, and then I can do delete events. But that won't work. I need to do events. Oh, I guess I can do index of. Okay, and then will that work? Yes. Cool. So now I have a bunch of objects. To add me up on Discord to join your live stream whenever you are streaming. My Discord name is Delight5. Thank you. Excited about that. Okay. How? Oh. Okay, I think we're good. So now I need to visualize this. And I think there's like a timeline. I don't know if that's what I want. Nope. This may be... too much. Oh, is it just a graph? Like, what do I actually want to do? I think what I actually want to do is I want to represent a sequence diagram. I don't know if I want to write. All of this seems way too complicated. Like, what's a basic HTML? Okay, so then I want to have maybe I just put it in resolved events. Okay, so 0. How is that possible? Oh, am I not passing in? Oh, I need to be passing in resolved. That's not like. No. Or yeah. Wait, I don't know if that's right either. No, that's not right. I need to be passing in an incremental. Oh, if I remove it, that actually shouldn't matter. Some of these should eventually be out of order. What about race? Oh, so this is going sequentially. That's obviously the case because the events are just always going to have one element in it. So I need to fill the queue with like some number of initial events. Okay, so let's do that. So let's split this up.
Too little, too late, too late, too late. You're so envious of one another. So petty. You don't want nobody to outshine you. You shine, 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 you. Some people say.
That's so obvious. Okay, so how did you do that? Oh, you need 3. You need 4 each.
Who lead for the people? I want you to hear me. Let me say something to you. If you don't get your act together, there will be blood in the street.
So we're just gonna like push out messages. Okay, and then this guy can be node. Oh, nodes. Oh, no, this can be producer, consumer, and then we can make ID first.
I warned our people. They'll start prowling the streets when you think you are safe. Listen to what is being said.
That'll just change itself. Okay. So I want no ID plus plus. Then node get okay. Then the event is going to be just some event. Resolved events dot push. Okay. Ooh, weird. Oh, did it not remove? Wait, why is it doing that? All true. Yield resolved. Oh, because I have nothing that's awaiting now. Or no, I do. I have this. Nope. So what's the issue here? So for const node and nodes, so it's going to push 3 events. And the producer and the consumer, and it's going to wait 10 seconds. Then it's going to await a promise. It's going to push that event. It's going to yield. Okay, so why is it yielding the same event over and over again? Oh, it's not. Oh. I see. Producer 0. That's not right. That's of. Okay. Why can't I do that though? I feel like I should be able to do that. I guess I can't. Oh, you know what? Why can't I use the length? I feel like I can use the length. Oh no, I can't. What if I do that? No, I mean, I guess that's the same as doing this. And it's just taking the first element, which is crazy to me. Nodes, ABC, events empty, resolved events empty, ID equals 0. Push to the events, so that'll have that event. Oh, do I need to do this like later? Like, does that matter? No. So why is this working? Because it looks like event. Oh, is this not working? So I'm gonna have like some number of events. Oh, is there like... Does it resolve all the other promises? Where did that go? Resolves with the first filled promise, resolves or rejects with the first settled promise. Oh, I see. So that's true. I wonder if I can just write, why doesn't this code work? Wow, they're really like... Oh, this is thinking it's just actual JavaScript. Oh, that's the issue. That was an issue. Okay. Node of nodes, so we're pushing a bunch of, like, everything's talking at the same time. So I feel like what I actually want to do is I want to have an opportunity for an event to fire. So this is wrong. I want to have like here. I don't want to just have everyone speak at this moment. Or I guess it really doesn't matter. So why is it doing that? And how do I get this to stop? I guess I can do that to get it to stop. Mohammed 1420 24. Thank you so much. I don't know.
Never felt a touch like this before. So divine. So say that you stay and give me more. Say that it's all mine. Cause I'm addicted to the feeling of me calling your name. I'll be thinking about your loving every night, every day. Oh, the way you know just some
Okay.
it's driving me crazy. Oh, baby,
What is going on here?
I'm around you, baby. I can't touch the sky.
Let me take a look at events, maybe.
I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I can't touch the sky. You make my temperature rise. I get so high.
Oh, interesting. So somehow,
You make my temperature rise.
like, what if I just yield events? Is that actually stopping? So 3 started first, and then it went to 0. For some reason, maybe it's if it goes to 0, it freaks out. But 2, 1, these are good, 0. And then somehow, like, 0 just blows up. Index equals events to find index, search events.
Oh, baby, I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I can't touch
Events splice.
temperature rise. I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I can't touch the sky. You make my temperature rise. I get so high. I get so high. I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I get so
And then go back to 0.
temperature rise.
Hey, Joao, nice to see you. I need to take a look at resolved events. I feel like this is at, yeah. But that's like working in theory. Let's try. Somehow. Yeah, exactly. And Shaw. How are you? Just to let you know, because this is, I would like to talk to you more. I have to go in like 6 minutes, but we should talk. I'm doing something super simple that is obviously wrong here. Event equals await any of the promises. And this should. Oh, this while true is probably affecting things more than I expect. Let's do this. Like, this should be a generator. Okay. So this is 3 promises, which does make sense. This is... Oh, interestingly... Okay. So it's trying to find the index, and all of these are promises. They're not the awaited value. So that actually makes sense. Okay. So it's just never finding the index, so it's never splicing from the array. Okay, that makes sense. So how do I fix that? Because all I want to do is return or splice the promise. So I don't want to await this. I want to do that. And then I want to await it. And then I want to do that. So that might, okay. So that's returning the events. And if I do this now, what do we get? Hello, buddy. Checked your Jay Hooney. Thank you for the whatever those are. I can't even see that. Oh wait, should you add? How do I not see all this? Like I see there, but I don't see here. Should you add a is waiting promise to make the splice? Message event. Oh, because this doesn't even exist. Okay, so let's do this. I don't want promise all because I actually don't want to resolve. What I'm trying to do is use Lamport and vector clocks. There we go. This is 2 to 0. Should go to like a 1 or something else. Oh, it was the chat in this is like way faster than the chat in. Okay, so let's take a look at resolved events, and then we can put event in there, and then we can splice that. Yeah, no. Let's see if it's getting removed at least from events. I imagine it isn't. Oh my god, that's way faster. So let's see. Okay, so that's doing what I expect. It's returning an object. But like, does this not resolve the original object? Like, maybe I have to do this. Oh, yeah, that's not happening. This is returning an entirely new promise, which isn't any of the individual promises. Okay. So that. Then I'm yielding, and I feel like this actually. Why do I not? Oh, right. So I'm checking the value here. Still a promise. Yeah, it's more about the identity. So I'm trying to like figure out. So this is going to return me. The reason I'm doing this is I want these to come in out of order. I'm using random. So like these events are just going to stream in non-sequential order. And in order to do that, I need to do that. But I can't use index of because the element is not going to be found. And because it was a promise, and because these are all promises, I can't like remove the promise unless I have the actual index of that promise. And I don't, because this guy, this promise is a completely different promise. So Like, it's kind of a catch-22. I have to await for all of the promises in order to find out which one has the ID of the promise I want to remove. So I need to come back to this because I now have to go. But Joao, nice talking to you. Nice to get in touch. Don't use a map because I don't want to iterate sequentially. I want it to resolve using any or race, which resolve when the first promise resolves not sequentially, but whichever one has the timeout complete first. So think about it like it's a race. I've got like 3 things. I want it to resolve when the first, regardless of whether it's in lane 1, lane 2, or lane 3, whichever one resolves first. So that I can't map because I don't want to wait sequentially for those. And like as soon as I await the promise, then it's all screwed. But anyways, I'll come back to it. I've definitely got it wrong and I will make it right. So talk to you later.